All right, so for day 2 on our precise language, we're going to be working on uh, page 2 and 3, okay? So go to your packet and go to page 2 and 3. And actually, we're going to do 3 first, because on page 3 is multiple choice. We're going to do that first, and then we'll go back to do page 3, okay? Sorry, we're going to do page 3 first, and then go back and do page 2. All right, go to page. We'll come back and do the page 2, okay? But first, let's do page 3. It says bubble in the correct answer. Okay, which word would best describe a big room? What do you think? Husky, oversized, spacious, or towering?
Spacious.
Spacious. Spacious. Right? I'm on page 3. Page 3. So we said which word best describes a big room? We said spacious. Number 2, which word would best describe a big truck? Probably enormous. Okay. Look at number 3. It says which word would not describe a mountain? Probably husky. Okay. Massive and immense and enormous, yeah, but not husky. Husky would be maybe if I'm looking at somebody that's strong. Okay. Number 4 says which sentence contains the best underlined word for big? So I have to read all my choices. We could not fit the vast chair through the doorway. Does that make sense?
No.
No, vast it would be if I'm looking over an area. We could not fit the towering chair through the doorway. No, a chair's not very tall. Okay. We could not fit the spacious chair through the doorway. No, that's what I was looking at a room. Okay. We could not fit the oversized chair through the doorway.
Yes.
Yes. So D would be a better option. Okay. And then 5 says which sentence contains the best underlined word for big? So I'm looking for the best one. The vast wheat field was nearly ready to harvest.
Yes.
Yeah, because when I'm looking at a field, okay, like grass and like the plains, okay, I'm not husky. It's not towering. Towering would be something that's tall, oversized, okay, like an oversized sweater. That's not. Okay, so the answer for that one is A. Okay, go back to 2. It says to make your writing more precise, choose the best synonyms. Some synonyms may have specific meaning. Okay. So precise words for big, again, we went over these yesterday. Enormous,
Enormous.
husky,
Husky.
immense,
Immense.
massive,
Massive.
oversized,
Oversized.
spacious,
Spacious.
towering,
Towering.
and vast.
Vast.
So let's see. It says rewrite each sentence using a word from above to replace it. All right, that makes sense. Okay. We cannot see the top of the big redwood tree. So what do you think? Which word at the top I would use? Yeah, if I'm looking at a tree, trees are tall, right? So go ahead and rewrite it like this. Watch. We could not, and it's right there on your page, right? Just rewrite the sentence again And then when you get to the word big, what are you going to write?
Towering.
Towering. We cannot see the top of the, instead of big, I'm going to put towering redwood tree. Bam. So 2, somebody just said it. The dictionary was so big, I'm going to use the word massive. We could hardly lift it. The dictionary was so, instead of big, I'm going to use what again?
Massive.
Massive, comma, we could hardly lift it. Okay. How about the big fish ate the little fish in one bite?
Enormous. Oversized.
So husky would be like something like the Incredible Hulk, maybe. Okay. So it's a bigger fish than the little fish.
Oversized.
Well, that's if I'm wearing something that would be oversized. What? I
Enormous.
probably would go with enormous. Okay. Not the big fish, but the enormous fish ate the little fish. Oh, okay, in one bite. Uh, and as lastly, we said, says I'm looking at an area, right? Okay, like a field. Okay, we said that our furniture looked small in the looked small and instead of big, we did what?
Spacious.
Spacious living room. All right, there you go. Okay.